James.
I think I might have been thinking of Jay. I might have been thinking about Jay. Prep. And over the summer, like, remember if you bring them last year?
And even though, certain people don't have a specific role just yet, they should be focused on the film and working, but, that's not happening right now, so.
It's a classic. Yeah. It's the sport is old. The urinal joust. I'm a bully, so I think I'm pretty good. Look at that. Oh, wow. I know this is awesome. The battery. So, yeah, what's in here?
Jay is having a nosebleed. Jay realizes and stands up, covering his nose. Situation is that we're supposed to be in this room right now filming because Mr. M is supposed to be in here, but either he's in there and can't hear us knocking on the door very loudly, or he's just not in here, which is more likely. So the situation we're in is like, what are we supposed to do? Because we need to be in there right now. So I'm trying to get everyone to go over this, hopefully get everything ready so we can start immediately when we walk in. And we're waiting for Mr. Ezel to come back and figure out why we can't get in there. So that is the situation. So, guys. Okay, so
Were your parents like throwing you into this?
Yeah, kind of.
Director? Max?
okay, listen,
Year?
guys.
I don't think so.
So I'm.
What's the best part of this movie right now? What's your best moment so far?
Best moment. I have to think about that. You have one?
I have to say, bringing the same shirt to class every single day for like 3 weeks.
Mamma mia!
That was the best part.
I think my favorite part was when we tried to get Max's hand to stick to the paper, but we just couldn't.
Oh, that was nasty, but you're like, oh shit. So you go to put it on your desk and you realize it's stuck to your hand. And you're like.
And you realize it's not stuck to your hand, so you're all good.
Okay, we're done for today, guys. I'm sorry, we gotta call it.
What? It took like 5 minutes.
Oh, that was funny
Just to
too.
try.
Yeah.
That was really funny. You kept like slamming your hand in the paper and it just wouldn't stick.
What?
Was
The
best
part
of
making
this
movie.
question mark.
Okay, best part of making this movie would probably be working with the most amazing actors I've
Thank
ever
you.
gotten to work
Thank
with.
you.